Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Clutch C. Hey man, thank you for stopping by the channel. I really appreciate you watching. Hey man, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Hey man, today I have a question for you. I have a couple of fellas coming over and we're gonna hang out for a little while. Hey, are you that person, man, that only hang out with the bikers, with the type of bikes that you ride? If you're a Harley rider, do you only hang out with Harley riders? If you're a sports bike rider, do you only ride with sports bike riders? Hey man, can we all just get along? Hey, just check out this short little clip. A couple of brothers are gonna come by and we're gonna take a short ride together. Hey, let me know what you think, man. Can we all just get along? Or you only ride with guys with the same type of bike you ride with? Hey, let me know. Hey, today is Memorial Day, and we just have to thank all of the fallen soldiers who died so we can be free. Happy Memorial Day. Bro, I hear you, bro. Oh, he got somebody on there. They setting it up. What's happening? The van. Yeah. There you see it. Yeah. There you go. On the van. There you go. It just had to come to me, man. What up, man? What's up, baby? It's all packed up. Man, it's joking nice. Ooh-wee. So who Hayabusa is this? That's mine. This you? Yeah, that's mine. Man, joking nice. I think I'm sell it. Sell it, keep it, but I know you like that cruiser there. Yeah, I like that. I like that. That cruiser. That joker is sweet. Yeah, that joker's sweet, man. Oh, I like that half helmet there, bro. Yeah, that's one of mine. Ooh-wee. Yeah, Dare say, I'm coming to see that Indian. I told him it ain't like the one you had. He had one that looked like mine. Yeah. You know, with the windshield and all that. He didn't have the fairing on there like that. Ooh-wee.
Yeah, one day you can definitely hear.
There's that booster. Yes, sir. We got Van Jr. on here. Yes, sir. Y'all good?